This is War Weasel here, showing you yet another example of what I've gotten done this weekend. Let's take a look at this. Yeah, my character pops when she stops running, but I think I can fix that. That's the only major issue I have. I do need to fix the controller a bit and add in my new jumping animations. Yay! I have a backwards walk. So run, walk, strafing, and strafing runs. And I've gotten quite a bit done on some of the other bits, such as I've gotten the skin to be back to a more neutral color. The hair is better. Still isn't showing up as well as it is in Blender. And just a few other things. I have the clothing. The fabric looks much, much better. So you almost get a cell shader feel there, but that's just because the lights are so harsh. So I'm really working my way through the pipeline. Understand how to get things to where I'm going. I have all sorts of fun stuff picked out. You see down here under my action editor, I have strafe left, strafe right, walk, walk left. All the, I can't seem to get rid of some of these useless actions, but who cares? That's so low on my priority, I don't care. The only other issue I really have is that I really would like to take the character and put them in a separate file and then link them in, but none of my, it doesn't look like AutoRig Pro likes it when I do it, or I haven't figured out how to do that correctly yet. So anyway, I will continue working on it and I will let you guys know, but so far I am very happy with my progress. Please don't think that I believe this is my, the greatest art or animation or anything. Although it is for me. It's. I really think I took a chance on it, and it's looking really nice. And it's giving me a good representative feel. Oh, the lights. The lights are here because one of the issues I have with a lot of games is that they are just so dark visually. And there's no reason, even at night, for there to be so much darkness. Gray, gritty, depressing. I like the monsters that hide behind light, in the light. They're the ones that are the worst. So, but I'm going to continue to play around with this. Hopefully have this, but I have reached one of my milestones, which is to get all my animations finished. All, what is it, 9 of them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. After this, I might do a crouch. I don't know how useful that is, so I'll put that off. But I'm going to start doing, I believe I'll use a knife. So that'll be neat. Okay, well, thank you again for watching.